Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use same WhatsApp account on two different Android phone at the same time. So if you really want to learn how to use same WhatsApp account on two devices at the same time, then keep watching this video till the end. Before that, hit the like button of this video and also subscribe to our channel. So let's get start the video. Here you can see there are two Android devices. Suppose I want to use this first phone's WhatsApp account on my second phone. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp from my first device. Then first of all, make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. If it is not, then go to Play Store and update it. Then here what you need to do, just click on three dots option from the top right corner. After that, click on linked devices. Now from here, click on link a device. Then put your security pin or fingerprint, whatever you added on your phone lock screen. Okay, then click on next. After that, click on OK. Then you will get a scan or QR code option. That's it, your first phone work is done. Now let's go to the second phone. In this second phone, first of all, you need to install WhatsApp application. So go to Play Store and search here WhatsApp and install it. As you can see, I have already installed it. So let's open WhatsApp. Then click on agree and continue. After that, here click on three dots option. Then click on link as companion device. After that, you will get a QR code in this second phone. So now just scan this code from your first phone. Now you can see this account is logging to my second phone. So now you can do message, chattings, calling, everything through this second phone. And if you want to log out this account from the second phone, then again go to the first phone and click on three dots option. Then click on link devices. After that, you will see here your login device. Just tap on it and then click on logout. Here you can see I have got a message on the second phone, that is account has been logged out. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more this types of important video. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.